Hi everyone, this is Paul Thesiger from Thesiger Plastic Surgery. I'm presenting to you today something a little bit different that we haven't done before. We're going to be introducing you to two trainers that are going to show me, and therefore you, how to prepare for surgery. Here we have Darrell Joyner of Hoorah Fitness, and over here Devon Hardesty, both of whom are well known to me, and they're going to be taking me through the paces that I want you to do to help you prepare for surgery and recover. This is something new from Thesiger Plastic Surgery. This is also something new that you've probably never seen before, because you're going to see the doctor, me, doing the very things that I'm asking you to do at home. So no excuses. Let's go.
Hoorah! Hey guys, this is Darrell Joyner with Hoorah Fitness Spit Pro. We're here today with my good friend Dr. Paul Thesiger at the world famous plastic surgery. And today we're going to demo a quick full body routine that you can get done in about 5 minutes. We're going to show you how to work that entire body in about 5 minutes. So we're going to focus on your cardio, legs, core, upper body, and something we call a total body movement. We're going to do each of these moves for 2 sets for about 15 to 20 seconds with a 10-second break in between. What that means is you don't have to focus on a rep count, you just want to focus on completing the time and doing your best with the allotted time. Anybody can do it. Are you ready? Are you set? Hoorah! Doc, you all set? You ready?
I'm ready.
We're going to get the party started with a nice, good jumping jack. We're going to do jumping jacks for about 15 seconds. Go ahead and go. Good, nice and smooth. You want to make sure you're focusing on your breathing. I like to say you're always inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. So again, we're doing this for about 15 seconds. I'm going to give him about 5 more seconds. And he's going to take a 10-second break. So during this break, you don't want to come completely to a stop. You want to move your legs around just so you can kind of keep the blood circulating. And we're going to go right back into the same thing one more time. Here we go. Jumping jacks again. Once again, it's paramount that you stay focused on your breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale from your mouth. Good form, good technique. As you can see, he's standing nice and springy. About 5 more seconds. And good job, break. Next, we're going to transition to a little bit of legs. We're going to do a basic body squat. You're just going to hinge at the hips, take it down, nice and smooth, up and down, and begin, Doc. Let's go. Down and up, good. Nice, good squat. He's going to push those hips back further. He's still breathing, inhaling through his nose, exhaling from his mouth. Up and down, give me about 5 more seconds. Looking good. 1 more, and quick break. Shake that off. We're going to do that one more time. Again, we're taking about a 10-second break, and he's going to go right back into it. Here we go, round 2. And begin. Looking good. Once again, it's important that you focus on his form and technique. We don't want to focus just on the high rep count. We want to make sure we make every rep count. 5 more seconds, guys. And quick break. Now we're going to transition to a little bit of core. We're going to take him down. We're going to do a nice planko. Shoulders directly over those elbows. You can do what you want with your hands. Squeeze them nice and good. You want to keep this nice and level. He gets tired, he can elevate a little bit, but what you don't want to do is sink down and put too much pressure on that lower back. It's going to take about another 5 more seconds. And quick break. Drop your knees down. We're going to do that one more time. It's important that we focus on this core area because remember, your core goes from the pits to the hips. It's just not the ab, but we focus on that whole area. This is round 2. He's doing it again, nice and strong. This time we're going to turn to what we call a plank bender. Drop the hips down side to side. Nice, focusing more on those obliques as he's going side to side. A little bit more challenging, but if he gets tired, he can just come to a complete stop and stay in the same position again. 5 more seconds. He's still focusing on his breathing, inhaling through his nose, exhaling through his mouth. And break. Good job, Doc. Next, we're going to move into some upper body. This is his strong suit. He loves this. You can come on back down, Doc. We're going to do some push-ups. This man can do more push-ups than anybody I know. This is where he likes to take charge right here. And begin. It needs no introduction. This is his favorite exercise. Everyone's going to have their favorite. And so when you get that opportunity, you show off if you can. But this is his thing right here. Always wanted to be a Navy SEAL, but he preferred to be a doctor first. So if he can do it again, he'll be a Navy SEAL. 5 more seconds. And break. Good job. It's going to come to a break. Take a break. Good. We're going to do one more set of that. As you can see, we're 3/4 already through this routine. Up and down again. Good form, good technique. Everything is nice and level. He's leading with his chest going down. Give me 5 more seconds, Doc. And break. All right, next here we got our mountain climbers, nice and smooth. Good. He's actually making these nice and challenging. He's going with a nice stiff leg. Good. You want to bring that knee just about to the hip line, right there and back. Give me 5 more seconds. He's also using that upper body at the same time, engaging that core, and quick break. Good job. We got one more set. We're going to be done with this. And begin round 2. He's back in and out. Good. Focuses on his breathing. At the same time, he's focused on good form, good technique. Give me 5 more seconds. Count down. 5, 4 more, 3, 2, 1, and done. Good job. And right here, ladies and gentlemen, that was a 5-minute routine. You can do the same thing 2 times around, you have a 10-minute workout. Hoorah.
Hoorah!
Hi guys, my name is Devin. I'm going to be your personal trainer for today with Dr. Thesiger. We're going to go through a full body workout. I'm going to give you about 4 exercises and we're going to do them for time. Okay, so whatever pace you've got, we're just going to go right into it. Keep in mind, try to do a little bit of a warm up before you do these, a few minutes, and then we're going to get right into it. All right, so the first movement that we're going to try is the split stance, okay? Split squat, all right? So I'm going to have him put his back foot up. Back foot is elevated, front foot forward, and you're just gonna try to sink down, keeping a straight back, and come on up. We're gonna try that for about 20 seconds, and then we're gonna switch sides, okay? So walk that front foot forward just a little bit. Good, just about 20 seconds here, and then we'll switch sides after a little bit of a break. Good. Good, last one. Go ahead and rest. Good, trying to come all the way down that back knee, stretching that back quad, pushing through your heel. Good, and that's the movement. Okay, go ahead and rest.
One thing is, when you're doing an exercise you've never done before, it takes a little getting used to, and that's fine.
Okay, so we're gonna move you down to the floor.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna have you do your plank, similar to what you did before, but I'm gonna have you do it on your elbows, starting on your elbows on the Bosu, a little bit of a stability challenge. If you don't have a Bosu, do it on the floor, do it on a pillow, no big deal.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna start in your plank position, again, trying not to sag your back, keep your hips nice and high, and tuck under in your pelvis just a little bit. And you're gonna push up to straight arms, and then back down to elbow plank. Okay, go ahead and try that for me.
So elbow plank, straight arm, elbow plank.
That's right. So try your best to alternate sides with that push-up, but you try to keep it pretty simple. Don't overthink it. Just straight arms pushing up.
Okay.
And I'm gonna come over here so I'm gonna
I don't know if I can do this.
Yep, there you go, that's it. It's similar to that push-up. Okay, back down, exactly. Push right back up. 20 seconds here, and right back down. So it's challenging your core. It's challenging your upper body with that push movement. You're getting into your chest and your triceps and your shoulders. Okay, so the modification for that movement, if this plank is too tough, go ahead and just drop to your knees. Okay, so if you drop to your knees, you're still gonna keep your core tight. Push up and then back down. Same movement as the other one. You're just coming down to your knees for the modification. Make it just a little bit easier.
Next.
All right, so the next movement, I'm gonna have them come all the way back up. And so you're gonna come down into a sumo squat or a plie squat. Feet are just a little bit wider, turned out slightly, and you're gonna sink down into your squat and then come up to a calf raise. Down and then up. Go ahead and try that for me.
So sink down into a squat.
Down into your squat and then up into a calf raise. Keep
Down.
that movement going. Challenge your pace on this one. Okay, all the way up, continuous movement. Up onto your toes, perfect. Keeping your back nice and flat. All the way up. So your heart rate's gonna come right back up with this one. And last one, go ahead and rest. All right, the last movement, we're just gonna do swimmers here on the floor. So you're gonna come all the way down to your belly and try to lift your feet and lift your arms at the same time. Your modification on this one, if that's too tough, is to keep your feet down and just lift up. So you're trying to bring your chest off of the floor, and then you're gonna do alternating kicks just like that. You're gonna work your back and core, okay? So try to come all the way down.
All right, people.
This is a great one for working your entire back. So try to lift up your arms and your legs at the same time. Try to paddle your arms back and forth, just like that. So you're tensing and tightening all through your back.
It is not easy.
Come on up. A few more seconds there. Just like you're swimming through water, arms are going up and down.
It wasn't the best technique in the world, but
That's all right.
it's a great exercise. Guys, this was great. As you can see, I'm sweating. If me at 50 years old can do these things, you can do them to get yourself ready for surgery. We also want to show you how you're going to cool down after you finish your workout safely.
All right, so just to cool you down, just to slow down that heart rate, go ahead and do something dynamic, like bringing your knees up and then right back down, alternating sides. So you're still working into your balance, still working into your glutes and your quads. Keep your core tight. Pull in and down, other side, in and down. Just getting a little bit of a stretch.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank
This
you.
was great. Thank you.